Welcome to our video demonstration for long-range signaling systems. It has around 2 kilometers of communication range, and a wide variety of applications in industrial and commercial industries. The top unit here is the transmitter, and the other one on the right is the receiver. The transmitter is wired connected to a black box with an alarm button switch. The blinking blue light is for the sync pulse. It is indication that receiver is in range to the transmitter. The sync pulse generator is at the transmitter. The alarm switch controls the receiver output. Here we have connected a incandescent light at the receiver.